Hi, this is William Hawkins from the Pix4D training team, and in this video we will create and process a Pix4D Catch project with Pix4D-Matic. There is more than one way to process a Pix4D Catch project. You can upload and process directly from Pix4D Catch with Pix4D Cloud and Pix4D Cloud Advanced, or process locally with Pix4D Mapper or Pix4D-Matic. Keep in mind you must use Pix4D-Matic to process projects locally with LiDAR data. Let's get started. First, you will need to export the project from your handheld device to your computer. Check our support pages for more information on how to export Pix4D Catch projects. Now we will create a new project and start processing using Pix4D-Matic. Drag and drop the Pix4D Catch image folder you want to include in your project. Select where you want to save the project, then give the project an appropriate name, and click Start. Now open the Processing Control panel. Enable each step you want to process, and if necessary, change one or more of the processing options according to your needs. In this video, we will select a custom processing template, calibrate the camera using the Pix4D Catch template, and select Use Depth Maps generated by Pix4D Catch, Depth Point Cloud, Densify, and Depth and Dense Fusion. Then click Start. After the processing is finished, the results are available for further analysis in Pix4D-Matic and Pix4D Survey. More information about Pix4D Catch and Pix4D-Matic is available in the support documentation. We hope that this tutorial was helpful. See you in another video.